1. Okay. Next state. Okay, what is the next state? Next underscore state. Okay, underscore state equal to S3. Okay, otherwise else next underscore state. Okay, what is next underscore state? Next underscore state equal to uh, s naught. It should go to s naught. Okay, s naught and end. Okay, and you are at s3. S3. Okay, S3 begin begin S3 begin. Just see the diagram. See the diagram. S3. If it is 0, it will should go to S0, and if it is 1, it should go to S1. Okay. So that you need to do. Okay. So if you see begin, next state uh, begin. Next state equal to one second. Next state equal to, it will go to non-overlapping. No, it should go to S1. Yeah. Yeah. So if so I need to check if data underscore in that is equal to 0, next underscore state equal to s naught else next underscore state equal to it is s1. If it is one second, if it is 1, it should go to s naught. If it is 1, it should go to s1 and s naught. Okay, s naught initial state, and else s1. If it is 0, I think 0 also it should go to s naught only. One second. Hmm. సరే ఓకే సరే ఓకే ఓకే. So here it will go to next state logic is initial state only. It will go to S naught. Okay. End and end case. End case. End and end case. So like this, we need to write the code for the sequence detector. Okay. Just I will open that code. Do you understood this code? How to write the code for this? End case. End. Yeah. Like this, you need to write the code. Is it fine? Do you understood? Hello. Okay. Yeah. Next, coming to the test bench, how to write means test bench is same only. So how to write the test bench means I'll show you. Um, Project. Open the project. One second. FSM Moore. So you need to remember that next state logic is next state logic is combination logic. So that's why you are using blocking assignments in the combination logic, whereas the present state logic is a sequential logic. Okay. First you need to write the present state logic. Always at the rate passage of clock begin if reset. Present state is a non-blocking with s naught. Otherwise it will be s1. Okay. So same thing. Same thing I wrote. Okay. And non-overlapping. Coming to the test bench, how to write TB, TB, if you see sequence detector, Moore overlap, non-overlap. This is non-overlap. Okay. So how to write this non-overlap? So first we need to declare. Here I am showing module TB Moore non-overlap. So whatever the test bench variable, this clock, reset, and DIN, you need to declare with reg data type, and DOut you need to declare with white data type, and you need to instantiate your design. Okay. So you need to instantiate your design. So how to instantiate Moore 101 non-overlap and UUT. UUT is nothing but unit under test. Okay, instance name is optional only. So this is connection by name. Dot clock. So whatever the variables outside the test bench, those are outside the bracket are those are the variables for the test bench. Inside the bracket are variables for the design. Okay. Next you need to generate the clock. Okay. Always hash right clock equal to not off clock. We are generating the clock for 10 nanoseconds. Okay. So this is off for 5 nanoseconds, on for 5 nanoseconds. And next you need to initialize the reg variables. What are the reg variables? That means clock equal to 0. I'm applying the reset. Always at the passage of clock, and reset equal to 1. No. First I'm applying the reset. Reset equal to 1. And when reset equal to 1, din also I am making as 0. Okay. And after that I am deassetting the reset. Okay. Reset equal to 0 I am making. Okay. Reset equal to 0. Apply 101 sequence. So at passage of clock, at the rate passage of clock. Okay. During that passage of clock, I am applying din equal to 1. And at the rate passage of clock, din equal to 0. At the rate passage of clock, din equal to 1. So three transitions. So it detects output becomes what? 1. Okay, detects 101, output becomes 1. Okay, and next I am starting from 0. Okay, 0 at the rate passage of clock 1, at the rate passage of clock 1, 0, and at the rate passage of clock 1. So 101. Now here sequence is detected, output becomes 1. Okay. Hash 20 and dollar display simulation done. Dollar finish means if you want to finish the simulation, that is this is a system task. So dollar finish is a system task. If you want to finish the simulation, you need to use dollar finish, and initial begin. Dollar monitor means if there any change in the variables, either input or output, it will display. It will monitor the signals. Okay. If there any change in the variables, it will display. Okay. So dollar monitor, I am checking for time also. So time data type I already told. We need to declare with format specifier percentage t, and d in is percentage b, percentage b, percentage b, time, like this I need to declare. Okay. One second. This is the test page I need to write. Is it fine? Do you understood? Any doubts or queries? FSM Moore. Moore FSM non-overlapping. Okay. So Moore FSM. This is Moore FSM non-overlapping. Moore FSM non-overlapping. Okay. So same thing. Same thing. So we can use the we can write by using this ternary operator also. Okay. This is one more style also. So ternary operator in the combinational logic, how I wrote always at the rate star. Okay. So S naught. S naught. So if next state equal to D in, next state equal to D in, that is 1, it will be go to S1. Otherwise, it will be S naught. Okay. Ternary operator we already seen, no? And you are at S1. Next state equal to D in. Okay. If next state equal to, that is input is 1. Okay. D in means what? Input is 1. It will go to, it will be in S1 only. Otherwise, it will go to S2. Okay. And next you are at S2. So x2 next state equal to what? Next state equal to, if it is d in is 1, it will go to which state? S3. Okay. So 101 sequence is detected means it will go to the next state S3. Otherwise it will be store. It will be in the. It will go to S0. Okay. Again you are at S3. D in equal to, if next state logic, next state is 1, it will go to S1, and otherwise if it is 0, it will go to S0. This is non-overlapping state. And default next state is S0. Okay, as Moore is the output depends only on the present state only, so that's why you need to declare the output separately. Okay, so separately you need to write always at the rate star begin d out equal to what, when current state equal to S3 only, then d out equal to 1. Okay, we already seen, no? So in the Moore diagram, where you got the d out, where you got the d out equal to 1 at S3 you got, no? So here separately you need to write. So always at the rate star begin d out equal to, when current state equal to S3 only, then you are getting d out equal to 1. Okay, separately I need to write. So this is the output logic for Moore. Why? Because it depends only on the present state. Okay, so we can't write within the combinational logic. Okay, or sorry, within the state transition logic. In Mealy we written. Why? Because output depends on present state and present input. No, so Mealy we wrote, just to go through that. And this one, if I want to test bench, this is test bench, same thing. Okay, I am giving at the rate passage of clock 1010 101. Okay, hash 5 and dollar monitor. Okay, run simulation, run behavioral simulation, non overlapping only. Overlapping you can do, just this one I will share just to go through this. So here in the TCL console, see here, uh, 101, 101 output is 0 only. Where you are getting D out one clock cycle later. See here, you are getting D out after, here you got the sequence 101, but one clock cycle later you are getting the output. Here also see here, 101 I got the sequence, so I am getting the output one clock cycle later. Okay, you can see the simulation also. See here, fit to page. Here what I am checking, when reset equal to 1, the output will be 0 only. Okay, when reset equal to 1, output is 0 only. And when reset equal to 0, then it will go to the functional mode. So I am checking for 101. Okay, one second, fit to page. 101. So output becomes 1. Okay, output becomes 1. Again 101. Okay, so during one clock cycle later, output is becoming 1. So this is the simulation diagram for Moore state machine. Is it fine? Do you understood? Any doubts or queries? Okay. What about others?